on my list is how do I choose the right foundation shade. I would say for you to choose a perfect foundation shade that matches not just your neck but your entire body is to first of all know your undertones. If you know your undertone, you know your skin tone, and then you know your skin type, you would definitely pick the right foundation shade. Also make sure that you test your foundation on your jawline to make sure that it blends perfectly, and also towards your hairline to make sure that it blends with the rest of your face. Next question on my list is how do I make my lips appear bigger? I would say slightly. The key word there is slightly overline. When you're lining your lips using your lip liner, just slightly overline your natural lips shape, just slightly, and then fill in with your choice of lipstick. So the next question on my list is how do I prevent my eyeshadow from creasing? Guys, it's very simple. Apply eyeshadow primer, or if you don't have a primer, apply a concealer and then set it with a powder. How do I prevent my foundation from looking cakey? I would say build up your foundation gradually. Less is more. Build it up, like, you know, apply a little, then you blend, and then you apply. Instead of applying the whole foundation once on your face, it's going to be too much. So build it up gradually, then using a clean damp beauty blender, not wet, damp beauty sponge, or you use a foundation brush, your foundation is going to come out looking flawless. How do I achieve a natural looking brows? I would say first of all, the shade of your eye pencil or the shade of the brow gel that you're using is going to determine how your brows is going to come out. Always make sure that you use a shade that complements your skin tone, a shade that is closer to your skin tone, and then you fill in with light strokes, fill in light strokes. What am I holding it there? The next question is how can I make my makeup last all day? I would say set your makeup with both a setting spray and a finishing spray. A setting spray is going to make your makeup, all those powdery effects, it's going to make it looking more skin like. Basically, it's going to make your powder melt into the skin. Then your finishing spray is going to seal up everything that you've done, both your brows, your powder, your foundation, your concealer. A finishing spray is going to seal up everything. The next question is what is the best way to apply your blush to get a more natural finished look? I would say build it again gradually, then you smile. Once you smile, you apply it on the apples of your cheekbone. Don't pack the entire blush on your brush, just a little. How to avoid under eye creasing? So if you want to blend, like let's say for instance you want to blend under your eyes, just look up and make sure you blend out those creases, because if you apply the concealer, the more you look down, do other things, your creases, they are forming, right? So before you go in with your powder to lock in that concealer, kindly or gently blend out the existing creases. How to prevent my mascara or how to prevent my lashes from clumping when using mascaras? Guys, to prevent clumps, you have to make sure you don't pick up a lot of coats at the same time before applying it on your lashes. One coat per time. So how to achieve a natural looking contour? I would say use a contour shade that is 1 or 2 shades darker, then you apply it underneath your cheekbones, then you blend upwards. Avoid contours that are extremely dark, please. So guys, if you love this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, comment, like, share. What did you learn? Comment that on the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.